Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate, decisive actions. First, update Chrome so rendering bugs aren't causing font issues. Once updated, disable extensions or open an incognito window to rule out extension interference. Then clear cache and site data for the pages that show wrong fonts because stale or corrupted font resources often persist. Make sure to restart the browser after clearing. This forces Chrome to reload font files and settings from scratch. Next, dive into font configuration both in Chrome and your operating system. In Chrome's Appearance section, reset font choices to defaults and set a standard size so substitution won't occur. Once done, inspect OS-level font settings and display scaling. Improper DPI or system font overrides can force Chrome to substitute glyphs. If you use custom fonts, rebuild the system font cache or temporarily remove suspect fonts so Chrome can fall back to reliable system fonts. This addresses mismatches and corrupted font files. To finish, test rendering behavior and apply final fixes. Toggle hardware acceleration, turn it off or on, then restart Chrome because GPU rendering affects text smoothing and shaping. If you previously tweaked Chrome, //flags, reset them to default to eliminate experimental regressions. Make sure to recreate the problem in a fresh profile. If fonts render correctly there, migrate data and retire the broken profile. If nothing works, reinstall Chrome after backing up bookmarks and passwords, and remember this troubleshooting tip. If fonts still misrender system-wide, check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.